given the ultimate sacrifice by losing their lives to protect our freedoms. How important that is. You know, here in Ohio, in Central Ohio, we have over 100,000 veterans that are civilian soldiers, have served in wars from Korea, World War II, Vietnam, and then Afghanistan and Iraq. Those people are protecting those freedoms today. As we move forward, these freedoms need to be preserved. But we have over 25,000 veterans and over 12,500 families that currently have no medical coverage. Even though they've served to protect our freedoms, they currently have no way to protect their families. That's not fair. That's something that these veterans have given their Purple Hearts, their awards, their medals for only one reason: to protect us. Now, I know when Governor Kasich stepped out of the political arena enough to say, enough's enough. We need to protect our veterans by expanding Medicaid. And this is a very important move, and I think a move that these legislators need to look at and say, we should be doing the same thing. Now, if anyone knows Commander Moe, he's the Director of Veteran Services here in Ohio. He was not only a medal winner, but he was also a POW. He was shot down. He spent 6 years in Hanoi Hilton, along with John McCain. He and John were roommates, if you want to call it that, for a time. But Director Moe has also moved to support Governor Kasich's expansion of Medicaid. So as we move forward, and as we look at these veterans, and there are more and more every day, the 37th Brigade here in Columbus was the largest single deployment in Afghanistan of anywhere else in Ohio. They've just come home. A lot of them don't have jobs. A lot of them have no medical care for their families and themselves. So let's move forward as much as we can to get our legislators to understand this is not bipartisan politics. This is protecting the people of Ohio so that they have medical coverage and we're able to protect them so that they can again protect us if they need to serve again. Thank you very much for your time, and let's support the veterans of Central Ohio and Ohio.
Bob Thurman, trustee of Franklin County Veterans Committee.